Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change your Fortnite name on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you.
As you can see guys, I'm right now on my browser on the computer. So go ahead and open your browser on any device and then just go ahead and search for Epic Games. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter and then make sure you click on store.epicgame.com. And then once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, this is how the homepage looks like. Right here in the top right, you're going to find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're going to be able to sign into your account. You can sign in using your email, address, and password. And right here, as you can see, guys, you can sign in using your PlayStation account. So just click on the PlayStation icon, and then you're going to be able to sign in using your PlayStation account. Once you do that, you're going to be right here in this page. Click again on your profile icon, and then right here you're going to find achievements, Epic Rewards, Epic Wallet, coupons, account, redeem code, wishlist, and lastly sign out. Go ahead and click on account, and then you're going to be right here in this page. So basically guys, right here, you're going to find account settings, email preferences, and all of these settings. Right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your account informations. And here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find display name. So basically, guys, if you want to change it, just go ahead and click on this icon right here. And then, as you can see, guys, you can choose any new display name right here. Just click right here and then type your new display name. And then if you're sure about it, just go ahead and click on I understand I cannot change my display name again for 2 weeks after this change. Then go ahead and click on confirm, and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.